Hey everybody, I'm Uncle E, and I'm gonna cook you some food. Let's do it. Alright, so what are we doing tonight? I'm drinking coffee. I got some peas. I got some finely diced potatoes. I got some mushrooms. And I got a steak that I'm gonna sear. Let's get to it. So first things first, you need a pan for your steak. Try to get the nicest pan you got. Now, we're going to come over to the stove. So, come on over, folks. I'm going to use my good burner. I am going to grab some oil. And I am going to turn this to high. I want this as hot as I can possibly get it. I'm also going to start my potatoes. Okay, so my potatoes, I'm going to drain them. This. Oh yeah. She's hot now. So we're going to turn down the stove for a second. This steak I'm going to season with some salt. Some chili, and some cayenne. Now, since this pan is hot as can be, the whole point of searing is to seal in the juices of the meat. That's it. Get it as hot on the outside as can be. So that way all the juices get sealed in. Now I'm going to season the top of this. Like so. I'm going to go ahead and stir my diced potatoes up a little bit. Okay. Let this get back to high temperature. I'm going to rinse my plate off. These potatoes will take no time at all to cook. See that color? That is a beautiful sear. That is a gorgeous sear. You can finish this off one of two ways, because obviously we're superheating the outside so the inside isn't getting completely warm or hot, depending on your perspective. We got a couple ways we can do this. We can turn the temperature down low so we can cook the inside of this meat, or we can put it in the oven. Or, if you like your steak raw or rare, you can roll with this. Now, let's go ahead and turn it down. I'm going to turn it down just a hair. And again, look at that color. That's beautiful. That is the sear I am looking for. I'm going to these mushrooms are pretty thick. They are very thick. And I do like mushrooms. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to put these in my potatoes. I'm going to turn this off so it can finish up. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to take some mushrooms, put it in with my steak, yeah, that's nice. We'll put them in my steak so it'll suck up the juices and the seasonings and the flavor from the sear. Okay, I've got mushrooms, I'm going to use them. So I need peas. Go ahead. You need your veggies, folks. So go ahead and get as much veggies as you can. We're going to take this over to the microwave and microwave it for about 45 seconds. Now that's also going to heat the plate, which is what we want. Okay. Put these back in the fridge. Don't need them anymore. Okay. So these are warm. These are hot. go ahead and plate up our food. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is dinner. Plate's hot. Plate's nice and warm. Everything is situated. Let's eat. Okay. Got done making a seared steak with mushrooms, potatoes and mushrooms, and peas. Yeah, folks, it's beautiful. And it's going to be delicious. Check it out. Mushrooms are nice and good. Potatoes are perfect. Now let's cut open the steak. Okay. Moment of truth, folks. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is the perfect temperature right there. Crust is beautiful, wonderfully seared. The mushrooms are amazing. And as far as the peas go, I'm kind of a fiend for salt. And I love black pepper. Oh, use 2 forks in this operation. There you go, folks. You know how to sear, you know how to cook, and you know how to season. Have a good one, folks. Peace.